You might be connected to Wi-Fi all day, and still, your phone could be keeping mobile data awake in the background without you noticing. That means Wi-Fi is on, mobile data is on, the cellular modem is awake, and your battery is quietly draining. And the strange thing is, and this setting is not in the battery page, and you will not easily find it in the normal Wi-Fi settings. Its name is Mobile Data Always Active. On some Android phones, it is turned on, and on other phones, it is turned off. So don't just listen and move on. Open it yourself right now. If you find it turned on and you spend most of your day on Wi-Fi, turn it off and test your battery for a full day. And if you find it turned off, great. Now you know the problem is not from this setting, and you saved yourself a lot of searching. Open Settings. Scroll down to About Phone. Go to Software Information or Build Information depending on your phone. Look for build number. Tap it 7 times. The phone will ask for your password or fingerprint. Now you have unlocked something called Developer Options. Don't worry, we are not going to mess with dangerous settings. We are only changing one option. Go back to the main settings page. Look for Developer Options. On some phones, you will find it at the bottom of the settings page. On other phones, you may find it inside System or Additional Settings. Open it. Scroll down to a section called Networking. Look for a setting called Mobile Data Always Active. When you find this option, check whether it is on or off. If it is on, it means the phone keeps mobile data ready and active even while you are connected to Wi-Fi. So if Wi-Fi drops, it can quickly switch to mobile data. This feature is useful if you move around a lot, if your Wi-Fi keeps dropping, or if you need the internet to stay connected without even a second of interruption. But if you stay on stable Wi-Fi all day at home or at work, why keep it on? Turn it off and set it to off. This way, the phone will not keep mobile data awake all the time while you're on Wi-Fi, and this may reduce background network activity and save battery. But you need to know the only downside. If Wi-Fi disconnects, the phone may take a few seconds to turn on mobile data and bring the internet back. So if you're playing online games, on an important call, or need a constant connection with no delay, then you may want to leave it on. But for the average user, especially someone who stays on Wi-Fi most of the day, it is better to turn it off and test it for a full day. After you turn off the setting, do a simple test. Charge your phone and use it normally for a full day on Wi-Fi. After that, open battery usage and check whether idle drain has gone down or not. The important thing here is not to judge from the first hour. Leave the phone for a full day, because battery saving shows more clearly when the screen is off and the phone stays on Wi-Fi for a long time. In the end. Now, open this setting on your phone and write in the comments. Was it on or off? And if this is the first time you hear this information, hit like and subscribe, because in the next video, I will show you another setting that makes your phone keep scanning for networks and devices around you, even when you're not using them. And this one is something a lot of people leave on without even knowing.